Welcome to this quick video on how to delete a chat in Microsoft Teams. So one-to-one chats, group and also meeting chats can be deleted. They didn't used to be able to be deleted, but we can do that now to keep your Teams nice and clear and fresh and tidy so you can focus on the current chats and the current work you've got going on. Chats will only be deleted for you and not anyone else in the chat. So you're going to identify the chat by clicking on chat on the left hand side, and you can see I've got my chat open there. And then if you highlight the one that you want to delete, if you hover and click on the three dots at the bottom, you'll see the delete chat option. So if I click on that, it's just going to ask me if I'm sure. It's going to remind me that it's not going to be deleted for the other person, it's just going to be deleted for me, and I need to delete anything else I've shared, files or tasks separately, because that doesn't delete, it's just the chat section. So if I press delete, that will be gone for me. I won't have visibility of that anymore. You can see it's gone now on the left hand side. So have a go at deleting your old chats. Keep your Teams nice and clear and fresh and tidy, so you've got a nice focus on your current work and current conversations. And have a look at the other videos available in this channel.